From the get-go, what I really was passionate about as far as New Hope Christian College was the fact that it wasn't just a 4-year learning institution where you just learn in the classroom, but the two things that really made my heart beat faster about this place is, one, the cross-training aspect, is that the fact that if you're a drama major, you are actually learning how to do music stuff, and you're learning how to do tech stuff, and vice versa. The students being able to learn in the classroom, but then also getting to cross-train in other areas so that they can be more well-rounded, because most churches don't just need a drama director or a tech director. They need somebody who can really oversee a worship arts program or a creative arts program. And so having people get that experience was number one for me. Secondly, I love the fact that we have the opportunity for students to learn not just in the classroom, but to actually practically work those things out in real life settings, whether it be through a lab church experience or through their chapels or musicals or whatever we were doing, students getting to work hands-on.
They get to step right in, they get to lead on sound, on video, they get to lead worship, they get to be part of building teams. They get to step in and practically put in place what they're learning in the classroom, what they're learning in devotions, what they're learning in chapel. Everything in their experience on campus as a college student, they get to have an outlet to really practically see what that looks like.
I don't know, like a lot of places that would put a trainee like in an advanced position almost, but this is definitely a place where it's like, you don't have to have the skills, you don't have to have the capabilities, you just have to show that you're like interested in it, and immediately like they're gonna put you into a position like that. Like
just the idea of like actually doing it and putting your hands to work. I think that for me, like I learn better that way. So from actually doing it, actually making the mistakes, learning from the mistakes, and then I think that like improves you and gets you like to the next level for sure.
I came here not knowing anything about audio engineering, not even knowing how to run Apple products, just really no idea about tech. I came here, and then the guy who was in my position before me said, "Hey Grant, I need you to do something for me real quick in the studio." And around here we just have that yes heart, so I'm like, okay, not knowing exactly what I'm going to do. And then he never really let me leave. So since then I've just been plugged in, learning along the way, and now I'm the head of the studio. I would have never had known that I like had this gifting and that I had this passion if the opportunity wasn't presented to me, and if somebody didn't say and see this passion within me and just help me refine it.